We are required to complete a CMC verification on Dr. X, and hence we link our wallet address for withdrawal when they actually get listed. Now, this method is very compulsory before you be able to receive your tokens. They put this step in place just to fish out those that have multiple accounts and to fish out fake accounts. So you need to complete this step, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can complete this. Now, while doing this, you must be very careful because any simple thing can get your account banned. If you fail this verification, you are going to be banned on Dr. X and you will not be able to receive your tokens. So you need to be very careful and pay good attention. Now on this page, you first of all go through these guidelines, this text they put. You can take your time, read it, and go through what they're saying there. Then you go ahead and proceed to the verification. Now on this page, you have to be registered on at least 4 or 5 different projects on ICE network, including Sunwaves, Curvelength, Seal Sand, and the likes. So you must be registered on them. If you are not registered, pick the link or download it from Play Store. Then use my referral link DOCTORX to do the registration. You must be registered on all of them. So to get your verification link on Sunwaves, you first of all open this your Sunwaves app here. So I'm going to go ahead and activate my mining for today by clicking on this button at the center. Then the next thing you want to do is look at the top left of your screen. Your profile icon is there. This place where my name is displaying, DOCTORX. That profile is very important, and that is what you'll be clicking. The next thing now is to click on this your settings button. Look at it at the top right of your screen. That settings button there, you click on it, and on this page you can see your verification code boldly displaying. So the next thing you click, you copy it and make sure you're copying the correct thing. Then you go back to this your Dr. X, the verification page, then you paste it in this provided section, and that is basically it. So you click on this mark as complete, and now we'll now go ahead to do the verification for Curvelength. Now my Curvelength is my Telegram. I'm mining it on Telegram, so I'll go ahead and open up my Telegram. Once opened up, from this list, I locate my Curvelength, and as you can see, that is it. And the next thing now is to launch the bot. So once it opens up, similarly like what we did in Sunwaves, this time around we'll also be going to the settings section after clicking on my profile. Then look at. So for this verification code, for Curvelength, sometimes the network is slow, so you have to be patient. When I click on this verification code, you can see nothing is happening. So you have to calm down, be patient, and wait for the bot to load up. Similarly, you can also keep your phone down for maybe like 1 minute or 30 seconds first before you click on that section so that the link is going to copy. After successfully copying it, go back to this my Dr. X and then you paste it in just like we did for Sunwave. And that is basically it. So the next thing now is to head into my Seal Sand, which is the third one I have to register on. And note, if you're not registered on all of these, you can simply download the app from Play Store or App Store. I think some of them should be available for App Store. Once you do that, you can use my referral link DOCTORX. So here is my Seal Sand. Once I open it, still similarly like what we've been doing from the beginning, you click on the profile section in your Seal Sand, and then you go to the settings. And here is the verification code displaying on my screen. So you can see here is it. The next thing to do now is copy it, and we head back into that verification page and paste in the code. It's pretty simple as that. Now mark that step as complete, and the last thing here, last one we have to register on is Crypto Mayors. That is the last project ICE recently released. So I expect all of you to be on it by now. Once it opens up, similarly, look at the profile icon at the top left. You go to it, then click on the settings button, and you get your verification code. So I'll simply copy it and go back to this my verification page. Then you paste in the code, and then you mark it as complete. And that is basically it. It's very simple as long as you follow the steps. Next thing now is to click on verify. And you have to wait for this timer to count down so that they can verify you to proceed or not. Because I did everything correctly, you can see I have passed the verification on this page. Now simply continue. Now this part is where things get complicated. You have to be very careful here because from here you can start failing. The first thing you want to do is to copy this post here on this page. Look at the copy button. It's copied to my clipboard. Then you head to your X or your Twitter and make a tweet, which is very simple. You click on the plus icon, then you select on this post, click on got it, and then you paste in the post. Then the next thing you want to do is to post, and that is basically it. So I'll go ahead and click on that. So I'll open this page. I need the link to this post I just made. I need the link to it. So look at this share icon here. I'll go ahead and click on that share icon, and then you can see I have the option of copying the link. So I've copied it to my clipboard, and the next thing is to head directly into that verification page and paste in the link. Make sure you are pasting in the correct thing. Then I'll mark that step as complete. So you must be very careful. Once you've marked the step as complete, you cannot unmark it. I've tried doing it, it didn't work. So make sure you did everything correctly before you attempt to mark. Now for this part, you just basically have to follow them on their social media platforms. Like you follow them on X. So you can see I click on that and I'm already following on X. I mark the step as complete. The next thing now is to follow ICE on X, which I am already doing. So I'll go back to the page and then mark it complete. And you can see the third thing there is to follow multiverse on X. So I'll click on that so that it open my X account directly, and I'll go ahead and follow them because I am not following them before. So after that, basically go back to the page, mark that step as complete. Then the other one here is to follow them on their X portal, still on X. So you click on that to open their Xportal channel or Xportal page, and you follow them. And that is basically it. You do the same for the last one here, which is follow Zeus. Yeah, Zeus is the founder of ICE. So you click, and I'm not following him already. Then you go ahead and click on that follow button, you follow him, then go back to that page, and that is basically it. So I mark that step as complete. I'll go ahead and click on verify. The only thing that can fail you here is that Twitter link. If your tweet, maybe there is an issue with the link or whatsoever, you can easily fail these steps. So make sure you did everything correctly and you click on that verify. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Now, as you can see, I failed this attempt. Yes, this verification, I failed it, so I have to redo it. And guess what? If I scroll up, I have only 2 attempts left. So if I do another one and I fail 2 times, I'll not be able to complete the verification again for today. You have to postpone me till tomorrow if I can do it. And if I fail consistently, they will ban me from X, which means I'll not be able to withdraw my X. Now I go ahead to my X account and then I check all these pages and I discover that I am following all of them. So what was the issue was this post I made. I discovered that this my post because sometimes this Twitter misbehaves. I discovered that this my post was on draft, like the thing did not post, or it was just an issue like that. So what I did in the end was to wipe the history of my X account. At the point I had to delete, uninstall, and install my X. Then I relogged in again. After logging in, I deleted this post that I made because as you can see, I pasted in the link again and then I mark all of these steps as verify. And I still failed it. So I had only 1 attempt left before I discovered that I had to do that. So I wiped out my X account, relogged in. After relogging in, I made a post again. After making the post, I wait for 2 minutes for the X to digest the post. Yes. So I now copy the post link. I send it to someone to help me verify if they can see the tweet from their side. So the person verified, I can see the tweet. He liked the tweet and then he commented. After commenting, I now went ahead and copy the link and paste in, so it now worked. So as you can see, my verification has been passed, and we now move on to the next. This one now requires a Telegram verification, so pay attentive attention to how I pass the test on this page. Just pay good attention. The first thing is to paste in my Telegram username, so I head into my Telegram. Then I go into my profile section. Look at it at the top left of your screen. So you click on that aspect and then you click on this is my profile. Look at that button there. And here is my username, TuNewsTech. I know it already, but to be on the safer side, I'll go ahead and copy it instead of typing it in so that there won't be any error at all. So I'll simply paste it and make sure it has that @ sign at the back of it. So you verify. The next thing is to join us on Telegram. Look at. So you click on that. Now there's something that happened here. I have 2 Telegrams on my phone. I have Telegram X and the main Telegram. But what I'm using to verify on this page is the main Telegram. But when I click on this join us on Telegram, it is redirecting me automatically into my Telegram X, which I do not want to use. So for you now, your phone might ask you to select the Telegram account you want to use. But because my own is not asking me to do that, so what I'll simply do is once I'm on this DOCTORX page, I'll simply copy their name, the username, then I go to my main Telegram account. Right, you can see. Then using the search bar, I paste in the link and you can see the bot is showing alongside the Telegram channel. So I go ahead and join them because this is the Telegram account I am linking. So the next thing now is to head back to that my verification page and do the rest of the verification. Since I've joined them, I'll mark that box as complete. Then the next thing is to join ION on Telegram. Similarly, if I click on that, it's still going to take me to my Telegram X as I have initially explained. So what I'll do once I'm on this their page, I'll simply go ahead to their profile again. Then I'll copy their name. You can also copy their link and search it in the browser, but I'm copying the username. Then I'll head into my main Telegram account that I want to link to it, and then I search for it. So here is what I got on the screen. It is the first option there, and I simply select on it. I'm already following them already, so it's asking me to mute. And that's basically it. So once I go back to this my page again, I'll check that. Then the last thing here is to follow Multiverse X on Telegram. You click on that also. Similarly, it's still taking me to my Telegram X. So I'll go to their profile again and then simply copy the username, and then I'll head into my main Telegram and paste in the name. Then I search. Let me exit from that ICE blockchain page. So you see, after pasting it, look at it is the first one displaying there, and it has a verification badge. So I'll go ahead and join it. Then I'll simply return to my page. These steps is very crucial. So make sure you do exactly as I'm doing here, so that you will not fail your KYC. Me, I'm already having 1 attempt left, so I'm being extremely careful. So congratulations to me guys, I've passed this phase. If you've watched up to this extent, make sure to like and share this video so that it will get to more people. Then you can also follow this channel. Now this is the main crucial page here. This page is very important because I have filled this section once, so you have to be very careful when you are here. So I'll click on this add to watch list. Now I've already installed CoinMarketCap on my phone. If your own is not installed, go and install it. It's available for App Store and Play Store. You install it, you set up an account on it. I've already set up my account. Now look at that star icon at the top. If I click on it, I've removed it from watch list. If I click on it again, I've added it to my watch list. That is what they want you to do on this page. Add these eyes to your watch list. I have done that already. So I'll go ahead and mark that section. Now, the second thing here is to follow them on CoinMarketCap. This part can be very tricky, so pay good attention. Once you open it, you can see it is not showing me any button where I should follow them. It is not showing a follow button. So what I'll simply do is on this page, I'll use this search bar to search for ICE blockchain network. Sorry, ICE open network. So after searching for it, you can see it is the last one here on my screen with a verification badge. You click to open it, and as you can see, I am already following them. So if you're not following, you go ahead and click on the follow button. But originally, once you click on that add to watch list, you should follow them automatically. But just to be on the safer side so that you understand, that's why I'm showing you this part in this video. Now, once you're done, I'll go ahead and mark this box as complete. Now, the last part is the crucial part whereby you need to paste in a link. So you will want to be very careful here as to not make mistake. Look at what they say. You need to comment on CoinMarketCap, and you're going to add this ICE, $ICE, and this dollar BCH. So it doesn't matter whatever you comment, just make sure you add that dollar ICE and dollar BCH. So I'll head back into my CoinMarketCap, then I'll head into the community section. Look at it at the bottom right of your screen. Then you can see this little icon here to post, similarly like what we have in our Twitter. So you click on that section, and I'm going to be making a post in this community. I'm making a post, and I want to type, let me change this to small letter. I'm bullish on, and I'm going to be using the dollar ICE. Then I'll put and BCH. So I'm bullish on dollar ICE. Look at ICE network is the third one here. Okay, I think I made a mistake here. So let me change this to capital letter. So you can see, look at ICE network displaying here. Then you go ahead and select it. So after selecting, make sure it is blue. Sometimes it can change to red. Once you change to red, it means you've done something wrong. Clean your comment and then redo it again. So it must be blue. It must still be in this blue color. Then I'll go ahead and type in dollar BCH. That is Bitcoin hash. So look at it. It's even the number one on my list at the top of the screen. So I'll go ahead and put it in. Then I make a post. Once it's blue like that, rest assured it's going to work. Then I'll click on, look at that is the post here at the top of my screen. Then you select that three button there, similarly like what is on Twitter. Then you click on this copy link, and then I'll go ahead and paste in the link on that my DOCTORX verification page. This thing is simple. As long as you're following the step, it's going to be simple. After that, I'll go ahead and click on the verification button and wait for this countdown. As this thing is counting down, my heart was beating fast because I filled it before now. So I was still thinking maybe let there not be an error. So, but anyhow, we see as it goes. Now you can see I have passed the verification, which is such a relief. The next thing is to click on this continue button. I think we'll come to the last part of the video. All right, yeah, we've come to the last part. This is where you now put in your wallet address. So if you do not have a wallet already, go and download Xportal. If you are in my Telegram channel, these things, I've already dropped the link there where you can download it. But if you don't have it, use the link in the description box of this video. Join my Telegram channel so that you can be able to do all of these things. Or you can similarly go to Play Store and download Xportal. Now, here is my Xportal wallet. So I'll go ahead and open it up. Then look at this first thing on my list here, this first coin here. You open it. Then you click on this receive button. What I want to do now is to verify the address. So you can see this address is ending with FHJW. So if I go back to this my main page, look at the top of your screen here. It's also in FHJW. So that main address is what you are pasting in. So I'll go ahead right now and open it, and you can see I verify that the addresses are the same. So you click on this copy. Then the next thing is to head back straight into your that's your DOCTORX verification page and paste in the link. Sorry, the wallet address. Then I'll go ahead and click on this continue button. As you can see, congratulations to me. I have passed my KYC. It means I am going to be getting these tokens when they decide to get listed. Also, congratulations to you because I know you are going to pass too. So it has directed me automatically into my DOCTORX account, and as you can see now, my wallet is now displaying there inside that section, just like how ICE Network was then. So if you still face any issue while trying to do this, the comment section is very friendly. Don't come to my DM on WhatsApp or on Telegram. Drop it in the comment section of this video. I am readily available to respond to your issues.